Why is the police station na go Mamelodi East go ka fitlha o bolela sekgowa ba o tseba bisa Silverton mara case how is serious. Wena o kgobetse Iman o kgobetse Iman. Yeah, welcome everyone. This is Davis Mukhomo and you are watching Mzansi's Funniest Videos. If you are new, welcome and please do subscribe. Hit that like button. I will appreciate that a lot. Comment, like and share everyone. Azish?
And if she doesn't introduce you to her family, I'll introduce you to her. Moro dele bata itis. Thank you, bye.
Yana ngano nthabarang okra ona le bibidi ya serate mashada ya Khalifa and okra le partner ya haye ilungwanyana umkhamo ilungwanyana umshape sem wastrata okra wena mola o rasitse o fone ya o re gonya ka thutao abetsa gena are mama boy o batla eng mothara no baby a ronya ka thutao ene ke mo sendetse child last week ngwanyana ara na baby moromela me wa itlhoka nna go wena o tlhoki thutao tshumi o boreile o no go hana pero nna ke nyaka baby dira ka a krengwe ya strata go retsiane motsharo like isa fela go re
drama left and right for toilet town how official opinion fair
At least
Tabiso mo kya TV na yo kai mo chacharing ma'am ing tabiso mo chache o go tsibila ke yo shit
Tlenda.
yeah
Asibangitshelile izolo ukuthi uthola umntwana uye lo.
uyelo
Shiponyonyonyo shamama ye kasongo ye. Mara Tlenda ukhulisile yazi.
ikhulisile wakweta kubula kona kubebula mositolo
uzalizwa
Mara Tlenda ukhulisile.
hayi lokho ngashaka kwena umyele kunene
No Tle.
Guys ake lisize lapha.
Lisize.
Thina eZimbabwe sithi amafutha okupheka yi-cooking oil ayenze nge-sunflower. Lana eSouth Africa kuthiwa yi-fish oil. So mabethi fish oil aphume ku-fish acengwe ku-fish ake lisichazele bantu.
Mina ngazi but ngiyazi
Siyazehlekwe
ukuthi
abantu.
ifish.
hello Zinhle kunini kumele useza noma kanjani hello angisezi ubhuti wami lo nobhema insango ukhona manje ngigadisa ingwa la
Ne fish oil.
My brother, your only problem is one. When you are in a new relationship, you get too excited. You post everywhere, my brother. You think when you are ASAP broken.
Really ma'am mina no batla re sa excited a re jole le bo mama o se ya no batla ka nne re itle batho ba rona
Why will you disturb a video jaga?
a ke di step sa dira ke le teng ge ka o botsa ke o batla re ka batho ba rona re jole le banyana ba ntle
mina mama ngisazi ngampela ukuthi ufuna ngithini ngampela ngiveka ngikhuluma nawe kahle lana ngomoya ophansi wathi wena kuyalapisa muna umzulu uyalapisa usho kimi nje ngithi mina okay fine mawulambile phela idla Jasuma ngiyakuphakela.
Balapisa.
Ngikunikeza ukudla. Uthi wena hayi watela. Hawu. mama usho kimi futhi uthi mina ngiyatela okay ngithele ini amanzi noma ini ijuice yimi la ngiyakuthelela amanzi yabona awusawafuni futhi ngina fani ngisaye store uthi wena hayi tsamaya ko shopong yebo ngathi ushumpu masigcozo intekhala zingane yentambo le ngathi ushumpu shopong yabona ngithi mina no ngithenga into ezincane lapha yani uthi wena ngiyoreka ngathi yonquma umuntu bamrekile urekwe wakho
uthista yonke into.
Hey guys, there is a potane nguruta mapostola ho traya ka 250 and then full take 450 and then who overtake muruti ke 800. Are supporting and enjoy the rest of your Sunday.
Ene olwale rena wena olwale rena ile mama hao a o mesitse ka komiki e bethile baba hao le fatlhane.
Yes, muhle lokeni ntwana. Iphoyisa. Unamanga ungasho kanjalo.
Manje makuyiphoyisa.
Ngitshela mfana uphinda ugrade 10 ngayi 3 lo simbiza u10111.
Iphoyisa.
Angithi yazi yona into nesiqalo futhi nesiphetho. Mina isiqalo sami nguwe, and isiphetho sakho yimi. Inkulumo zasemhlabeni zehlezi zikhona kodwa mina nawe seyishindiwe ngoba siyazi ukuthi uthando lwethu lizobe ingunaphakade.
Uthini bafethu?
Awuyini manje ngoba umuntu wami lona.
Ungenza slim ngicabanga ukuthi angikubona ukuthi uthenge ironing board.
Hayi no akuyona ironing board isisofa sakhe nje bephenduka.
Hawu bathu.
Yabona ironing board nganyakaza kanje.
Ngisho ngoba iwede besizoshintsha.
Asinoyo umakhelwane balendawo. Abangifuni kule ndawo. Yabona sebeyithethi ngithenge ironing board.
E mara ba se le dangerous en la barata banna. O khono tlola thaile go heno le sofa ile o patlama le DStv Explorer o ye go mshimaneng kwa dikobo tsong khagwa e cigarette yo jepiwa le o rotelela ka mara bucket up and
I have so many questions, but before I ask those questions, let me recommend a bed for this lovely couple. I would recommend the Autoflex Dimas in a king size, extra length. This bed is very strong. It can handle both your weights, can handle up to 150 kilos per person. Selling now for 27,500 rand. Back to the question. How do you guys...
I may look young, but I'm not actually young. I'm from like 27th October 2003, yeah. So I may look young, but not actually young.
How old are you for now?
I'm 21 years old. When I walk to the Valley of the Shadow.
What are some of the original ways somebody has broken up with you? What Blella, she's still busy working on herself. Now, who has she been working on for the last 25 years? Is she a construction site for government tender? I'm not ready for a relationship. What she doesn't tell you is that she's not ready for a relationship with you. The with you is silent. It's like the K in no. Nobody says no. It doesn't sound right. Next week, wajola. 2 months later, there's a tent outside the house. I graduated. Wanyala. We need to break up because Mercury is in the retrograde. This is a very good reason to break up. Because sometimes your problems, they're bigger than us. It's got to do with the universe. You don't want to disturb the universe. If you're going to break up with me, use an original line. The reason you're breaking up with me is because I eat peanut butter sandwich with a fork and a knife. I cannot help that. Wow. In this case, baby, it's not me, it's you. Originality, 11 out of 10.
Kana motho ke la ntha are biano tsakane, let me educate you about my love language. And immediately I just zoned out of that conversation. You know, I don't mind. Ha ke mind an adult conversation with a woman ke start a relationship le ena, or maybe re mo relationshiping and ekare I'm getting too relaxed, you know, and the woman calls me and sits me down, or this is what I require monna asire, this is what I demand, this is what I'm willing horenka, you know, ka compromise amozon. I don't mind having an adult conversation. Maroska yo lebella dilo ko keeping up with the Kardashians o botla, let me educate you ka tlhogo ke one tlhogele ke one ne ira hore, you know, ke zone out of that conversation or cough. No lebella dilo ko Real Housewives of Rankua e be le tlo re tlhomela tsona mo le wena o sa di tlhaloganye fully. Right now batho ba nnetse re bolela ka botsakane, it's all about financial dating. It's financial dating. Dula mo fatshe mponse gore tsakane. Now after mapashkola or whatever I'm gonna be doing in this relationship, ke ke expecta gore wena financially compensate or unthuse it mavoso in a way wa bona la beautify le utlwa dilo ko bo Real Housewives ko ale rankua and then you come here financial date wa batho right now gona le bo the divorce party I get it, you know, if you were in a relationship abusive monna sa go tshwara sente I understand why maybe your friends or you would want to throw yourself a divorce party wa bona gore wana rona o tswile out of the hands of that bastard that abusive rubbish, you know, o tswile kwale maybe but back in the day we never knew when women were single. Oh no, itse gore ke mmasihula or ke mamotaung o lido just like even today guys acknowledge there are beautiful married women, you know, but we never approach them and we are because ra itse gore ba nyetswe a re tswe modilong wa bona. Then next thing that same woman o no monana le bra John today next week o utlwa gote hey ke ba le ba separate le bile o jola le how so le khale re mona ro lovely but we never said anything because we respect lenyalo la hona le bashimane ba ile gore o ntso nyetse bona ba inboxa hona le bontate ba ile le a mosadi a ntsa a le happy re mona ka di photo kante mosadi o tla re etsa kana I was never really happy for the last 7 years. How are we to know? Na re dutse kwa re respect lenyalo la gago. That's why we never say anything to these gorgeous women. Next thing mona on the arms of moshimane wa di City Golf bafana ba di pholo ba tsene mo bafana ba ile gore bo phokoje ba gate go phokoje go tlola yo di thetsenyana, you know. But yeah, it's all about respect that we stay away. The divorce party they are throw you gona no marwe tlhaloganya divorce party because you can throw a divorce party today wena o e bone mo TV after di chomi tsa o di tsamaya o ntsona le bona le enwa di champagne le di wine o celebrate or yeah I'm finally getting rid of that tsakane ever after batho ba tsama mo o phutha di pringitsa o bo robala kwena the same tsakane o ntso celebrate or khaoganele you can come there and give him some o fetsa o dula o ntso celebrate le batho the whole day you will go sleep with your ex
home affairs cancel idea hey asabhale ku race lapha asabhale black wena khetha iKorea or Japan or Chinese asayingeni lento yakho ukuthi sibhale black ayaphethe imithi lapha yakhale kwena idea hey mubane bale bathi hey ungazosihlolela uhambela wena njalo ya change asayifuni lento le
Korea
tot uyakhetha ukuthi iKorea or iJapan or Chinese amenzele ipassport cancel ID abantata English city when purpose is unknown abuse is inevitable wabona umuntu imali mangayisebenzeli imali uhamba utshakade wezinto eziphume endleleni kana cancel lapha oma first wathi hayi iJapan or iKorea or ule boma Hong Kong khetha ngoba niyafana namakhazini akho niyafana napha hayi ngishayele exactly azosihlolela sibhizi lo nosikhathi sokudlala sibhizi khetha na iline lapha khetha sisi uKorea watwa mayo ngathi uyangala nje vele uyangala inhliziyo encane wathi yena uGently bafuna ukubhala K Gently lapha K Sayong bayangale ngwethi ubele Dubai loya mahethile lapha ummele la bayiheta le ngwenya leya wayiheta ukuthi ibe no memory loss ithi yona izoze South Africa izovula i-ocean tufuna ukuvula i-Atlantic Ocean ngoba lathi esifuna i-ocean lathi manje iphumele ngweya ehamba ngathi isila yona ehamba amabele athi behle ehamba ikwatile bathi yozodlala bathi azinasikhathi sokudlala wena njalo every year uyachange uyosugcina umnyama so uya upink uya orange ayo so green ayo so uya ngayo so gently man usayong asathembi ngoba sabona manje ukuthi hey talento lezabo khumbu bathi hey like cancel ID yakho from today wena bale passport 6 months uzoyirenew athi hambe itoyitoyi ifuna ukwenza icampaign ungasifaka sibhizi thina sibhizi ngejustice yomntwana lesibhizi futhi ngala masoja sifuna ukwadiscipline sifunana nominister mawule lapha bakuyithola abo mechanic lapha bakuthi awusitshela so not dark siyabuya not ibambe
hold on sibhizi
buya gently
thanks guys, thanks for making it this far and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed. See you on the next upload.
One.